Welcome to City English School System. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Read with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Today we have topics essay or leader, application for fee remission, use of he, she, it, this, that, those, these, there. Our first topic is essay, which is our leader. So students, who is our great leader? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam is our national hero. He is the founder of Pakistan. He was born on 25th December 1876. His father name was पूंजा जिन्ना. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ तक हमें ऐसे में क्या बताया गया है कि कायद-ए-आज़म कौन है? हमारे नेशनल हीरो हैं, फाउंडर ऑफ पाकिस्तान है, और वो कब पैदा हुए? 25 दिसंबर 1876 को. फादर का नाम पूंजा जिन्ना था एंड हिज फादर वाज अ मर्चेंट. उनके फादर जो थे वो एक ताजिर थे. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ही पास्ड हिज मैट्रिक फ्रॉम सिंध मदरसातुल इस्लाम. देन ही वेंट टू इंग्लैंड. There he got higher education and came back as a barrister. Friends, इन लाइन्स में क्या बताया गया है कि उन्होंने अपना मैट्रिक जो है वो कहाँ से किया? सिंध मदरसातुल इस्लाम से. आफ्टर दैट ही वेंट टू इंग्लैंड. फिर वो इंग्लैंड चले गए. देन ही गॉट हायर एजुकेशन. वहाँ से उन्होंने हायर एजुकेशन हासिल की और एक वकील बनकर वापस आए. देन ही ज्वाइंड इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस एट फर्स्ट, बट ड्यू टू इट्स नैरो विजन ही लेफ्ट इट and joined Muslim League. He worked hard and gathered Muslims for the separate homeland. Friends, at first he joined Indian National Congress, but due to its narrow vision, उनकी तंग नज़री की वजह से he left it, उन्होंने उसको छोड़ दिया and joined Muslim League, और Muslim League को ज्वाइन किया. He worked hard, उन्होंने सख्त मेहनत की और तमाम मुस्लिम्स को इकट्ठा किया कि वो एक separate homeland हासिल कर सकें. Due to these efforts, Pakistan appeared on the map of world on August 14, 1947. After that, he became ill and died on 11 September 1948. His tomb is in Karachi. May his soul rest in peace. Friends, next topic is application for the remission of fee. Friends, I am going to tell you about the pattern of application. First of all, the main things you have to keep in your mind while writing application. You have to start the application from the left side and you have to end it at left side as well. The second most important things you have to keep in your mind, where you have to put comma and where you have to capital the first letter. Subject of this application you have to learn from your notebook. I am just telling you the pattern and the main things. The next topic is use of he, she, it. Students, he is used to indicate boy or man. She is used to indicate girl or woman. It is used to indicate things or objects which are non-living. Students, next is use of these and those. Students, these and those are used for the things which are in plural. Either they are far away or either they are nearer. Students, specifically these is used for the things which are plural and nearer. And those are used for the things which are at distant or at far away. Next topic is use of there. Students, as I already told you that there is used for the association with things, the belongings. Example, the boys are riding their bikes. Bikes are associated with boys, so here we use there. Next topic is use of this and that. Students, this is used for the things which are nearer and that is used for the things which are at distant. But these both are used for the things which are in singular. For example, this is an apple. Apple is singular and nearer. So here we use this. And that is an apple. Apple is basically far away. So here we use that. So dear students, the whole lecture is for your homework and diary. So you have to prepare it very carefully because it is also your Google test. At the last, students, I have some vocabulary words: association, flirting, and barrister. Students, you have to find out their meanings and you have to write at least one sentence. Students, your today diary is essay or leader, application for fee remission, use of he, she, it, this, that, these, those, there. Join dua with me. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.